Namaste SPPS. First of all, I thank this middle wing just to celebrate this communal harmony week. Why I am thanking? Otherwise, we all are teachers here. It is our duty to teach our students all these things nicely. I am thanking especially due to this that we started this week or day to be celebrated in 2008. Since then we were celebrating it, but for the last 2 years, as you know, that circumstances did not allow us to celebrate this day. And I sincerely admit that this year I forgot it. I admit it. But today, as your in charge man just called me that today is the day of communal harmony, I was surprised that how I forgot it. But I know the answer because you all were not with me for the last 2 years physically. That's why. So you are at fault, not me. But anyhow, once again, I thank all the teachers that they celebrated this week. They just taught these students the meaning of harmony, meaning of communal harmony. I want to tell you the history why this day was started. This day we are celebrating today. It was started to help those small children or kids whose parents were died of the attacks of terrorists in the beginning. But now it has taken a wide form and everywhere we are celebrating. I remember for the first time when we celebrated, we had a run for this in the whole city. We had that marathon and we gave this message that we all have to help those children, and we collected even donation also. This year they also did not send any letter, perhaps due to COVID they also just shortened up their program, otherwise they used to send that letter, and we used to collect some donation also to send for the welfare of those children who have lost their parents due to terrorist attack. It was started due to terrorist attack, as I told, but in real sense, if we see, we need for everyone this harmony. This harmony is required to balance the society also. So, as the young children of this nation, they have this thing in their mind, they have this feeling strongly in their heart that God is one, everywhere, watching everyone. Definitely, we will not do anything wrong to others, even to ourselves and to others. Always foster this feeling. And once again, I thank you very much. If you just take this day forward and help any needy today, anyone needy, anyone, at home, nearby, in your lane, anywhere. If you just help, if you give a small toffee to a child who is just wandering in the street, whom you feel he is poor, he cannot afford it, that will be a step towards your communal harmony. And upon member of this, the students of S.D.Public school, they all have faith in this, and they all will always this with them in this society, and will make this society as well as nation very strong. Thank you again.